Cafe. Today we are going to show you how to make loud spicy papaya salad.
Hello everybody, welcome back to Sweet Rice Cafe. Today we're going to show you how to make loud spicy papaya salad. Okay, what do we need to make the loud spicy papaya salad?
First, we need a mortar and pestle, and lime, some tomatoes, and some chili pepper, and green papaya, garlic, and MSG.
Kira, can you hand me the papaya, please?
Yes.
Thank you.
Welcome.
First thing we're going to do is take the skin off the papaya.
Papaya looks like a cucumber.
I'm going to cut the heads off, it does.
On the inside.
Peel it with that peeler here, like so.
Sometimes I think it's a cucumber.
Sometimes you think it's a cucumber. Let me peel it first. You have to peel the papaya.
Careful you don't cut your finger.
No way.
Then you won't have a finger.
And then you can't
Whoops.
eat your food.
Whoops.
You only can eat your food with this hand or this hand. So you don't have fingers.
Okay, so almost done. Peel this off. Okay. Using this little
Thing.
papaya shredder or whatever it's called. I call it papaya shredder because I'm shredding the papaya with it. Right, Kira?
Yeah.
Alright, hold on.
It looks like noodles when you shred it.
Try not to shred your hand in the process.
Otherwise you can't eat your
Our crunchy
food.
chicken is done. Ooh, I can't wait. I cannot wait to eat it with the papaya salad.
I hope you saw that in the last video somewhere.
Yeah? How to make crunchy chicken?
Yeah.
I'm sure they did. If not, they can always see it again. Alright, so you can shred the whole thing if you want. As you saw, we have a small green papaya. They sell big ones too, but we just bought the little one. And you shred it just like so. Again, try not to shred your fingers.
Otherwise you can't eat.
You have to be careful when you cook.
Like, yeah, very careful.
Practice.
Unless you don't have to use a knife or a shredder or something.
Practice safe cooking methods. You can see it comes out really nice and fine with this shredder. Back in the day, Lao people used to take a knife like this, a bigger knife, and they would try to chop the papaya, then they would shred it like this.
Wow.
Now we're modernized, so we use the shredder.
I've seen Grandma do that.
Yeah, that's
With the knife.
smart. But back in the day, Lao people used to use the old method. So we modernized a little bit. We came a long way. Now we use this little shredder. You can see it's nicely fine. Ooh, did I miss the bowl?
No, I guess so.
How can you not hold them?
Here, can you show them your shirt?
Cute.
We have Sweet Rice Cafe merchandise now. Kira's wearing one. I'm wearing one too. And Naya's wearing one too. You
That's
can't.
a Sweet Rice Cafe right here.
Now that the papaya has been shredded, we're going to crush our peppers and our garlic. So let me move this to the side.
So you have a lot of space.
Move this to the side. We're going to bring our mortar and pestle over here. And we're going to put the chili pepper. It depends on how hot you want it. So I'm going to put all these pepper in here. All of it. It's going to be very hot.
And then be careful while you do this because some pepper juice might go in your eye.
I'm going to use 3 garlic cloves. I'm going to put them in here. This is number 3 right here. Taking off the skin here. 3 in there. I'm going to add a little bit of MSG. A lot of people don't use MSG. You do not have to. But I have been using MSG ever since I was a little boy in Laos. And my mother always added some MSG in here. So I like it. Doesn't affect me. So before we add the papaya, before we add the shredded papaya into the mix, we want to make sure we pound the garlic and the peppers and the MSG. We want to make sure we mix it all up, pound it really good. Like Kira said, you want to be careful. You do not pound it and put your face next to it, because the pepper seed could jump out and go in your eye.
And it would really hurt.
And it would really burn. That happened to me many times. So we have to be careful. That's why Kira is staying over there, huh? Once it has been crushed, now we can add the papaya. So I'm going to take my papaya, put them in here, just like so.
How do you keep saying just like so?
Just like so.
Like you do in every single one?
Okay. So then when I slice up my little tomatoes, like so. Be careful not to cut your fingers. Next one, please. Next one, please. Like this. Next one.
Kira's willing to eat that.
We gotta put them in here for Kira to start eating my tomatoes. She loves tomatoes, huh?
She's,
Alright, next one.
she's craving for them.
Oh, I can see it in her eyes. She's gonna eat that one. She's gonna eat that one. And ooh, we got it. I thought she was gonna eat it. I thought she was gonna eat my tomatoes. Okay, can you give me some lime?
Lime. Here's lime.
Okay, so I'm gonna slice this in half. So we're squeezing the lime in here, just like so.
And I
Why do you keep saying just like so?
Because you guys like it.
You don't like
There you
it.
go. You wanna try that since it's limey?
So silly.
Sour?
It is sour.
Okay. Last thing we're going to add is this little squid sauce or fish sauce. Sprinkle like a tablespoon in here. Like that. And all we're going to do is mix it together. And we're going to mix it together. Right now we're mixing the lime, the tomatoes, the chili pepper, the garlic, the MSG, all together.
That sounds like music.
Does it?
Uh-huh.
You can put it down here. You don't have to keep it. Okay, so I'm gonna mix it all up. Whoop. Again, be careful you don't mix this and it jumps in your eye and it's gonna burn your eyeballs.
Kira's like squinting.
She's squinting?
Yeah.
sour.
Is it sour? Alright, we're almost done mixing. While we were making the papaya salad, we were steaming the sweet rice, and we also had the crunchy chicken in the background cooking. Those are done. We're just waiting for the papaya salad to be done. Here's what papaya salad looks like after it is done. Everything has been mixed. when you go to a Lao gathering, 99% or 100% of the time, they will have a serving of papaya salad. It is a traditional meal for Lao people. They usually eat it with sweet rice, chicken, steak, fish, shrimp. All those go very, very well together. So this is the finished papaya salad. Like
That's not as much as I thought it would be.
the crunchy chicken was cooking in the background. Kira, can you bring me the plate, please?
Here's the plates.
Hold on, let me put it like that on your plate.
You don't want to touch it because it's very hot. It's very crunchy and hot.
Here's some more crunchy chicken.
For some reason, it looks like shrimp.
Does it?
Uh-huh.
Crunchy chicken.
All the lines all over it.
I love it. I love it. I love it.
Chicken? It's like crunchy chicken shrimp.
I love it. Oop, 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 oop.
Crunchy chicken.
Crunchy.
I don't have that living on.
All right, let's go put it next to the papaya salad. You got your crunchy chicken, Kira?
Uh-huh.
Thanks, baby.
The tasty kind.
Can you get your sweet rice?
The delicious kind.
Awesome. Whoa, let me see what's in there.
Sweet rice, sweet rice.
Nice, awesome. You guys ready to try this papaya salad?
Yeah.
Yeah?
My heart's pumping really
Your heart's pumping?
fast.
All right, hold on. All right, girls, are you ready to try your Lao spicy papaya salad?
Yes.
Yeah? All right, give it a shot. Look at Kira go. All right, go. Awesome. Chew it. Put the meat in there. Chew it good. Chew, chew, chew. What is it? Ooh, it's hot, huh? Very hot, yeah? Yeah, use your water.
Just like hot sauce. Just
Not-
spicy.
It's not hot?
Kinda hot.
Yeah, kinda. All right, start your chicken. You like it? Wow, I'm so proud of you guys. Your first papaya salad.
Bye, everybody. Thank you for watching Sweet Rice Cafe. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share.